Hello Internet, I'm Revanth and I'm back with another interesting video where I'm going to talk about top 7 IT jobs that doesn't require any coding skill or programming skill. If you are already here, I'm sure that you are already considering one of these positions. So stay tuned, watch the video fully and pick up the right career for yourself. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. Role number 1, SEO analyst or a search engine optimization analyst or a specialist. So these are the guys who help the organizations to rank their website, rank their videos in the first page or the first result in the search engines. For example, if I'm having some xyz.com as a website and if you search it on day 1, it won't appear in the search engine or it will rank somewhere in the page number 1 lakh in the Google search engine, or even any YouTube video. If I'm trying to boost one of my clients' video in YouTube, if I'm not doing SEO thing right, then it's going to be somewhere back in the search results. All these SEO specialists, they bring your website or video to the first page in the search result. As you may already know that nowadays most of the people are doing this YouTube stuff. Definitely they want to get more viewers and more attention towards their video or website. So the demand for SEO skills growing rapidly. If you are interested, then definitely you can feel free to pick up this SEO analyst as a serious role, and it's highly paying and highly rewarding. You can also work remotely. This role can be operated from anywhere in the world. So you can sign up for some freelancer account or Upwork account and you can find clients online and you can work anywhere from the remote. All you have to do is to improve. Number 2, graphic designer. You won't be realizing that how crucial is this graphic designing. Gone are the days where the people or the users who engage with the application and websites going through these tons and tons of essays, paragraphs, text. Those days are gone now. Everything is relying on simple graphic designing and they want to hook the people towards their post or their article. They are using these graphics. So these graphic engineers are the guys who design the logos, who design the banners, who create the thumbnails for YouTube channels, and they create front-end part or the UX part of the websites. This role is more creative and also more relaxing and calming. So if you're a person who doesn't like to code, but if you are creative and if you want to pick up some IT career, definitely this graphic designer is going to suit you. All you have to do is master some tool like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom or even Canva. Once you master it, then definitely you can find right gigs and you can make this graphic designer as a full-time profession as well. Number 3, technical writers. When I say technical writers, don't consider it as a technical role where you will be requiring coding or programming. It's just the title, it is technical writer. The reason is these technical writers are the one who write technical documentation. So they understand the product, they gain knowledge from the product by attending some sessions or by interacting with the developers. They understand more about the product. So they deliver the content in the form of documentation by writing user manuals and by writing technical support guides, resource guides, and help the non-technical people to understand about the product. So it's not at all a technical job, but you have to understand the terms that is being used in the technical world, but you have to write it in your layman terms. So even a non-technical people can understand. If you believe if you have good writing skills and also you are good at communication, definitely you can pick up this arrow. Number 4, technical recruiter. You might be considering technical recruiter is similar as a HR manager or HR role, but it is quite different because you will be especially working on filling some IT technical jobs, whereas you understand the requirements from technical teams, what are the skill set that person has to have. You collect that information and then you create a job description and post it in the job portals, and you have to initially assess the right people with right IT technical skills and you have to schedule the interview, and then the rest interviewing part will be taken care by the technical team. All you have to do is understanding the technical requirements of the team or the organization and bring the right resources to the interview. For this, all you need to have is good communication skill and interviewing skills. Number 5, growth hacker. It is the most ultra modern job title that I have ever seen. These growth hackers are the people whose only responsibility is to generate more leads or bring more clients to the company. Earlier this role was BDE, business development executive. Later with the modern tools and all, it got evolved as growth hacker. As a growth hacker, you will be bringing more and more clients to the company, more and more leads to the company, and contribute towards the growth of the company. It can be a startup or a mid-level organization or a corporate, it doesn't matter, where you will be spending your time on analyzing and investigating the market and understand where your product fits and how to hook or how how to reach the target audience, and how to convert them into the leads or the clients to the company. All these strategic planning will be done by these people. If you have these communicating, socializing, and bringing more leads and sales, these skills, definitely you can consider this role, because this role will be mostly open in startups. So when the startup grows, because of the clients you bring in, definitely you will be having much more visibility in the company. So along with the startup, you will also grow. If you are considering an opportunity in a startup, and if you are having these socializing skills and sales skills, definitely you can consider this role. Number 6, social media manager. Almost every company that I have ever seen is having their own dedicated Facebook page, Instagram page, and website, and YouTube channel as well. These companies or organizations definitely require someone to engage followers or the subscribers by frequently posting the content or some posts or articles in their website or blog post or any social media in that case. So they wanted to hire a dedicated social media manager. So these social media managers are the one who actually writes and posts across all the social media platforms. So this role especially requires some good communication skill, writing skill, and social media knowledge, and also how to engage with the customers. You should be knowing that. So if you have all of this, definitely you can consider this as a career. Number 7, meme engineer. I can see someone smiling. Meme engineer role is actually available in the recent startups, especially available in the startups whose customer base is of age between 17 to 30. So they want to attract the customer base and hook them to install their application or get more followers or subscribers. They usually post in their social media or anywhere it can be. They will be posting in a meme way, where they will convert a huge paragraph just in 2 lines or a single line. So that's the power of a meme, right? These companies are actually rightly targeting audience using the memes. So once such companies slice where they have a dedicated meme engineering team, they only create memes and they are earning huge ransom money. If you already have some good sense of humor and having some sarcasm and if more creative and more engaging, and definitely will start love with this job. Yeah, that's about the 7 IT jobs where you don't require to write a single line of code. If you think that I missed any other role, just feel free to comment in the comment section. Definitely I will go through and revert back. I'm also planning to make more and more useful content to you guys. If you feel that this video deserves a like, give it a thumbs up. Stay subscribed. See you in the next video. Until then, signing off, your Revanth. Bye.